Hi, my name is Ronen, and I work for WeWork across the European region. And I look after multiple aspects of the business. One of them is building the Powered by We business. Also helping the organization with an estate we acquired in London recently, Devonshire Square. And really looking at how do we continue to build our enterprise business across the region? How do we partner with very large corporations? And make sure that we really become a partner for all of these large enterprises. Well, I think let's take technology and people, technology and work environment as a whole, not necessarily co-working space. I think on multiple levels. I think the first one is really the interaction that a person has with the environment. I think people are looking for much more customized environments. They're looking for much more responsive environment, and they would also like to work in an environment where they know that they are in a well-being, healthy environment where they do work and where they spend their time. So I think we're going to see a lot more data being shared with people about the quality of air, about the temperature, about what's happening in their environment, so that they are actually aware. I think we're going to be seeing people using data to understand how people are behaving in space, to drive greater efficiencies, to make sure the space is designed to really meet the requirements of people. So not just conceptually, but data-driven design, as opposed to just design for design's sake. I think another area we're going to see technology is really all around the systems, the BMS, the resiliency of a building. We're going to see this becoming much, much smarter, much more efficient. And I think we will also see a lot more integration between different systems, which today is not the case. Today there's a huge amount of fragmentation. Well, let's talk about the future of work. Okay, I think the future of work is going to become a great deal more human. I think people are looking for something different. People want to come to work and feel energized. They want to feel part of a community. They want to belong to a community. I think we're going to see more informality. I think the new generation is showing us that wearing jeans and t-shirts is cool, is okay. You feel more free, and you can actually be creative. You connect with people better. And we really park a lot of the old legacy notions about what work is about. We're seeing people bringing their dogs to work because they say, well, could I not feel at work the way I feel at home? And we're seeing a lot of that also changing in the way that environments are being designed. If you come to any of the WeWork locations, we want people to feel at home. That's why every location is different, but it's really about when you spend 10 hours or 12 hours a day in that environment, could you feel as good as you feel at home? Could you relax on the sofa? Could you have a beer? Could you have a glass of wine? Could you play with your dog? Could you connect with your friends? Could you do business? All of that in one environment.